Today we're thinking about how we can use a song as a singing warm-up. Often we can get really stuck with our vocal warm-ups. We're bored of doing the same exercises, or we sometimes skip them out altogether and just sing a song. So this way you can just put on a backing track or a karaoke track for something you know really well, and use different sounds to warm up the voice as you go. So I'm going to show you how you can do this, give you some examples, but really you just do what feels right for you. So I'm going to use Somewhere Over the Rainbow. It's nice and easy, people know it. It's got some good jumps in there and you can vary it quite easily. So there are some things that I would include. I would start with a little bit of movement in the intro, some breath work, and I'll put some notes on the screen as I do it as well. Then some SOVT, some close sounds, lip trills, things like that. Maybe some longer vowels sustained over the phrase, vowels and consonants to get the articulators going. Maybe some myroning, which is when you siren and then shape the words with your lips. That's great for warming up the articulators as well. Then maybe some voice qualities suitable for the repertoire that you're singing, thinking about phrasing. There's so many things you can do, so I'm just going to give you some ideas now. Ki ka ki ka ki ka ki ya 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 do da na 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 na. If happy little bluebirds fly beyond the